Hi, I'm Corey Moss with Rave Publications. I am here at the Oblong booth here at InfoComm 2016. I'm with Dave Schwartz. How are you doing, Dave?
I'm doing great. It's a great show. Thanks for coming by.
You're very welcome. So we are here to talk Mezzanine. And what we're actually going to talk about is my top 10 disruptive solutions. And this year I have chosen Oblong Mezzanine as one of my top 10 solutions. So let's go over here, take a closer look. All right, and Dave, I'm going to turn it over to you. Tell us about Mezzanine, and really the impact that you believe it has on the industry.
Absolutely. So what we have thought about is how are we going to take it and move away from someone as the presenter or controller of a meeting and make it more that all sorts of data and information can float to the exact moment and place where we need it. And how do you sort of orchestrate or conduct, kind of like in the movies, sort of Minority Report or Iron Man, if you will, because that's where we come from.
Right. All right, let's get a little demo of the solution here.
Yeah, so what I want to show here is these are multiple computers that are at the desk. I can actually reach in, grab this, control this, but maybe I can't quite read that. Maybe I've been at the show a little too long and I want to zoom in a little bit. Maybe I want to move it to the side and place it over here where I'm going to come back to it later. I'm going to focus on something like our customers or our locations, or maybe I want to bring in a different data source, right? Whatever we want to do at the exact moment we need to, we can just bring that in, focus in and zoom and get everyone focused on the piece of information or data that they need.
So this reminds us of a movie, doesn't it?
It does, it does. It reminds a lot of people of the movie Minority Report, which I sometimes wait for people to mention it. And the reason is it's that gestural aspect, that sense of wanting to zoom in or control or push or clear the data. And that's where our CEO and founder sort of first started these ideas as the science and technology advisor for Minority Report, also Iron Man and a few other movies.
So, Dave, we talk about collaboration, okay? And, these days there are a lot of solutions out there, okay? And you got to figure, all right, which are the ones we really want to focus on, bring it to the customers, and what's going to make sense to them. Tell me why, and not only that, but as a top 10 solution, why you believe Mezzanine is it.
Yeah, so for us, it really has to do with that idea that if you're collaborating in room, that's one thing, but if you're going room to room, a lot of the solutions still have that idea that one room is presenting data to another room, and it goes one direction at a time. What we really want to do is have that same fluidity that you saw with the moving and the zooming, but anybody in any room or being able to control it from a tablet outside the room, or all of that should work seamlessly, and that's what we've developed here. So we think that once you get all the data, whether the people are sitting next to you or across the country or the world, that's when people have true collaboration.
And that's what it's all about. You need to do it like that. You need to do it seamlessly. And what you're describing here seems to make a lot of sense there, Dave.
I really appreciate that. We've worked hard, and our customers are loving what we've brought to them.
Okay. So, again, I'm here with Dave Schwartz, Oblong. We're talking about Mezzanine here at InfoComm 2016, and again, one of my top 10 disruptive solutions at the show. Thank you, Dave.
Thank you, Corey.
Okay.